who is Sian? Who are they? Oh, it's Arthur Cormack's daughter and 2 other singers. Moran pang. Dwi'n rhaid sy'n i hyd Clàr ac un an sa Bliadhna fichet. Fe sy'n yw son y fwy meg Sian ysteochig. Ach leis y Clàr y sio le ryn fe sy'n yw son y fwy ac un agos na horain fe sy'n yw sy'n y lesochig agos wel, a sy'n tolich y chleinti'n gyfyle i'r cors dy grithynia. Ha sy'n dognas gyfyle i'r cors dy grithynia. Agos ha tiroch cho ma ha sy'n urym fawr a hawn. We're very fortunate. Couple of weeks ago, we were doing a wee tour around the Western Isles, and we got to meet. We got to go into a couple of schools, and we got to meet loads of kids who were really into Gaelic songs, and had loads of great questions for us, and it was so amazing. And ha sy'n i ddod ar son yr ar ys yn yw'n sy'n cwmafod of y sy'n agos cwmafod of wy y fiacaf an y Gaelic. And we also, when we were on tour, we were in South Uist, and we were having dinner in the Borrowdale Hotel. And we overheard a couple at the bar, 2 women at the bar, saying they were coming to our concert. They said, we're going to see Sian tonight. So I said, who is Sian? Who are they? And one of them said, oh, it's Arthur Cormack's daughter and 2 other singers. Moran taing agus skishin shabek gavar.